Hello guys, welcome to Smart Study. Today we are going to discuss the generator protection numerical. So first we start the numerical. We see the formula that is mostly used in the generator protection numerical. Percentage of winding unprotected equals to Ri naught by V, where V is the full line to neutral voltage of alternator. I naught is the minimum operating current in the primary of the CT. R is the earth resistance. Now in the numerical. First example, the neutral point of a 11 kV alternator is earthed through a resistance of 12 ohm. The relay is set to operate when there is out of balance current of 0.8 ampere in the pilot wire. The CT have a ratio of 2000:5. What percentage of the winding is protected against the earth fault? What must be the maximum value of earthing resistance required to give 90% of the protection to each phase? In first part, we have to determine what percent of the winding is protected against earth fault, and in second part, we have to determine minimum value of earthing resistance to give 90% of protection. So for first part, given line voltage VL equals to 11 kV, earth resistance R equals to 12 ohm, CT ratio equals to 2000:5, that is 400. I naught equals to relay current on secondary side of CT equals to 0.8 ampere. I naught equals to minimum operating line current on CT primary. Here capital I naught equals to small I naught into CT ratio, that is 0.8 into 2000 by 5, that is 320 ampere. Now V equals to line to neutral voltage equals to VL divided root 3, that is 11,000 divided root 3 equals to 6350.85. Now percentage winding unprotected equals to R I naught by V. R is given 12 ampere, I naught is calculated 320, and B is also calculated 6350.85. Now percentage winding unprotected equals to 60.46%. Percentage winding protected equals to 100% minus percentage winding unprotected, that is 60.46 equals to 39.54. Now in second part, we have given 90% protection. Let the value of resistance be R dash ohm. Then percentage of unprotected winding equals to R dash I naught divide V into 100%. Now 1 minus 0.9, that is 0.9 is the 90% of unprotected winding equals to R dash into 320 ampere primary line current of CT divide 6350.85 alternator phase voltage. So R dash equals to 0.1 into 6350.85 divide 320, that is R dash equals to 1.9846 ohm. This is the required value of the minimum earth resistance to give 90% winding protection. Now in second numerical, we have given a star connected 3-phase 12 MVA 11 kV alternator has phase reactance of 10%. It is protected by the merge scheme, which is set to operate for fault current not less than 200 ampere. Calculate the value of earth resistance to be provided to ensure that only 50% of winding remain unprotected. So we have line voltage VL equals to 11 kV, rating of generator 12 MVA. We know that the rating of generator is equals to root 3 VL IL. So IL equals to rating of generator, that is S divide root 3 VL equals to 12 into 10 to the power 6 divide root 3 into 11 into 10 to the power 3, that is 629.83 ampere. where 629.83 is the rated primary CT line current. Now phase voltage V equals to VL divided root 3, that is 11 into 10 to the power 3 divided root 3 equals to 6350.85 volt. Now percentage reactance equals to actual reactance by base reactance, that is X divided V by I, that is Ix by V, where I is the rated current, X is the reactance per phase. So percentage reactance is given 10%, that is 0.1 equals to rated current 629.83 into reactance per phase X divide voltage per phase 6350.85. Now reactance per phase equals to 6350.85 into 0.1 divide 629.83, that is 1.0083 ohm per phase is the reactance of the winding. Now the reactance of the unprotected winding equals to percentage of unprotected winding into reactance per phase. Percentage of unprotected winding is given 50%, so 50 by 100 into total reactance, that is 1.0083. So reactance of unprotected winding is 0.1512. Now voltage induced in the unprotected winding equals to voltage induced in the total winding, that is 6350.85 into percentage of unprotected winding, that is 50%, so 50 by 100 into 6350.85. Now voltage induced in the unprotected winding equals to 952.6279 volt. Fault current is given 200 ampere. Now Z equals to impedance offered to the fault equals to voltage induced in the unprotected winding divide fault current. So impedance offered to the fault equals to 4.7631. Now Z equals to R plus J into X, where X is the reactance of the unprotected winding. So magnitude of Z equals to root under resistance earthing square plus reactance of unprotected winding core square. So 4.7631 is the impedance offered to the fault equals to root under R square plus 0.1512 square. Squaring on both sides, we get this expression, and then R equals to, we get the root under 4.7631 square minus 0.1512 square. So R equals to 4.7667. Hence the required value of earthing resistance should be 4.7607. In third numerical, this numerical is similar to previous one, but difference is that in this numerical power factor extra is given. In this numerical, given data is a 3-phase 10 MVA 6.6 kV alternator supplies a load of 8 MVA at 0.8 power factor lagging and being protected through Morse price circulating current system, and its relay are so set that they do not operate until out of balance current occurs at 20% of full load current. Calculate the value of earth resistance to be protected in order to ensure that only 10% of alternating winding remains unprotected. Assume alternator reactance of 10%. Neglect the resistance of the alternator. In this question given, line voltage VL equals to 6.6 kV, rating of generator equals to 10 MVA, load on generator equals to 8 MVA at 0.8 power factor lagging, fault current equals to 20% of full load current, reactance equals to 10%, and resistance of the alternator is neglected. Now full load current equals to generator MVA rating divide √3 VL, that is 10 into 10 to the power 6 divide √3 into 6.6 into 10 to the power 3, that is 874.7731 ampere. Now phase voltage equals to VL divided √3, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power 3 divided √3, that is 3810.5117 volt. We know that percentage of reactance equals to Ix by V into 100%, similar to previous question. Now percentage reactance is given 10% and full load current equals to 874.7731 and phase voltage of alternator is 3810.5117 into 100%. So X equals to 381.05117 divide 874.7731. So X equals to 0.4356 ohm per phase. Now reactance of the unprotected winding equals to percentage of unprotected winding divide 100 into reactance of the total reactance of the winding, that is unprotected winding is 10%, so 10 divide 100 into total reactance equals to 0.4356. So reactance of unprotected winding equals to 0.04356 ohm. Now fault current is 20% of full load current, so 20 by 100 into 874.7731. So fault current equals to 174.954 ampere. Now percentage of winding unprotected equals to IF into Z by V into 100%. 10 equals to 10% of winding unprotected, so 10 equals to 174.954 into Z divide 3810.5117 into 100%. So Z equals to 381.05117 divide 174.954, that is 2.178 ohm per phase. We know that Z equals to earth resistance plus reactance of unprotected winding. So Z square equals to earth resistance square plus reactance of unprotected winding square. So R equals to root under Z square minus reactance of unprotected winding square. So root under 2.178 square minus 0.04356 square. So R equals to 2.1775 So the required value of earth resistance must be 2.1775. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then share and subscribe this channel.